抵達澳門愛港客運碼頭。為咗你嘅安全，喺船隻停泊之前，請你留喺座位上。已託運行李嘅乘客，請憑認領票前往行李認領處取回行李。喺落船之前，請記得帶齊你嘅所有個人財物。請先讓豪華位嘅乘客落船。多謝乘搭噴射飛航，我哋希望好快可以再次為你服務。Ladies and gentlemen, we will soon be arriving at Macau Maritime Ferry Terminal. For your own safety, please remain seated until the vessel is properly berthed. Passengers with check-in luggage, please collect luggage at the luggage reclaim counter by presenting luggage identification tag. Do ensure that you have all your personal belongings with you before leaving the vessel. Please allow passengers on super class to disembark first. Thank you for traveling with Turbojet. We look forward to serving you again soon. 各位乘客，我们即将抵达澳门外港科运码头。为了您的安全，在船只停泊之前，请您留在座位上。已托运行李的乘客，请您认领票，前往行李认领处取回行李。在下船之前，请谨记携带您的所有个人财物。请先让豪华位的乘客下船。多谢乘搭喷射